Hi, my name's Dan, and I'm here with Expert Village today to show you how to tie a double figure eight bend. A bend is any knot that's used to tie one rope to another. As shown in a previous film, you make your figure eight on one piece of rope with your tail sticking out. And then to tie the double figure eight, you're going to feed through and you're going to follow your figure eight, or your previous figure eight. That is the figure eight bend. It's a very strong knot. One drawback to it is that when it's tied, you have a large knot in the middle of the rope. It's much bigger than a sheep bend. I'll tie it one more time for you. Tie a figure eight, and then retrace it with your next line. When tightening the knot, you want to make sure that there's no twists in the rope, so that the whole knot will lay smooth. And that is the double figure eight bend.